What's up, you guys? Chris here. Today is a very special day. Well, I'll say yesterday was a very special day. It was the opener of Red Snapper 2025. In this video, I'm going to show you everything I know to catch red snapper, maybe even some mangrove snapper. We can keep triggerfish and red grouper. We're planning on running around 20 miles. I'm in the 17 Cape Horn buoy bomber, and we'll see what happens. Y'all stick with me and let's go. We made it to the bait hole. We're in about 60 foot of water on one of the Mexico Beach reefs, and I'm going to drop a sabrinky down in an attempt to try to get some live bait before we get way offshore. Right now we're about maybe 7-8 miles from the beach, and what I'm using to catch this bait is these sabrinky rigs with a little shrimp on them. And pro tip, when you're fishing with these sabrinkis, go ahead and cut you up a little bit of squid like you see me doing right here. Just go ahead and cut you up a little bit of squid and put on the hooks. It'll definitely help you catch the bait quicker. And if I could catch about a dozen live baits real quick, that would make me happy. Spot lock trolling motors holding us on the spot. Still trying to figure out exactly where it is. We're gonna drop this down and see what happens. New reel, Pin Battle combo, 8,000 size. New to the boat, new to me, and I'm hoping we put some fish on it today. You see what I'm talking about? As soon as it hit the bottom, already loaded. Oh, I think they got off. There's still 1 or 2 on there. It was loaded. Oh, look at that little baby red snapper, little baby beeliner. Dang it, I wonder if there's a bunch of those down there. We can't keep this. How long's a beeliner got to be? I got to look that up. I know he was too small though. Alright, come on, we need some squirrel fish. Snapper love the squirrels. One thing I like about the spot lock trolling motor is you can jog around a lot, you know, 5-foot increments, so you're not always just sitting on the same spot. Come on, let one of these be a pinfish or something. We'll load it up again. Come on, bait fish. Oh, I see some different colors. Yes, 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 those are perfect. All right, we got some hardtails with the beeliners. All right, let me get these guys in the box. Yes, 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 awesome. Okay, ouch. Man, I know a snapper would tear these things up. Y'all got me a friend with me on the boat today. I just rescued him. He's a lizard, and we're gonna name him Big Snapper. That's Big Snapper right there. There we go. Come on, let it be a bunch of them. No, nothing. Not a beeline. Not a beeline. Bunch of. Yes, 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 yes. 2 of them. Ooh. Boy, we're going for some snapper today. Yes. Maybe that's the trick. I got to get off the hole just a little bit out there in the sand, and then these guys are there. Yes, sir. These are big snapper, right? This is big snapper bait right here. Or grouper. We can catch red grouper today too. All right, oh, come on, a couple more like that, and we'll be in business. Man, I'm excited. I'm offshore. I feel good. It's hot. I feel good to be out here. It's been too long. Oh yeah, 1 more for the road. It gives me about half a dozen grunts. Got 3 pinfish, so we're working. We're doing something. We're about to make it about a 14-mile run to our next spot where we're going to bottom fish. Hopefully we catch them. Y'all stick around. Hey y'all, I'm right back there driving this boat 22 miles offshore. Do me a favor, go ahead and consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons. This video is about to take off, and I sure would appreciate it. Thank you. We're about 2 miles away from the spot, and we're just getting into about 95 foot of water. So I'm gonna throw the DTX minnow the last couple miles up to the spot, see if we can't pick up anything. I've caught a lot of fish on this little small DTX 110. We'll see if we can catch something today, I guess. Water's real nice and blue and clear. There's a lot of seaweed everywhere. We might pick up a mahi, a kingfish. I've caught a sailfish on this thing. There's just no telling. We're really also kind of trying to watch this storm that's out here. It's coming at us, and we're kind of running from it at the moment, and we're just gonna see what we can do. Trolling around 7 miles an hour. And y'all see we got the storm coming right out there. It's chasing me, but I'm right on the edge of it. And I want it to go past, that way we can go to the spots on the other side of it, but it's kind of got me stopped at the moment. And there is rain in there, and I see a lot of boats coming this way. So we just had a bite. All right, you guys, we just got to the spot. Got my standard drop rig. This is a 3-way swivel with a piece of 40-pound fluoro with a little lead line tied to it. And this is a good rig. That way, if your weight gets hung up, you can break it and still get your your fluoro back. We're gonna drop a live fish down and see what happens. I want one of these small pinfish. Going down. There we go. That's a fish. That's a fish. And it's a red grouper. Red grouper. Little baby. Oh. Beautiful fish. Pretty. I see them. Y'all check out that screen we got. Right in 100 foot of water. There we go. Fish on. Mangrove. Red snapper. A little small, but what we're out here after. So they are here. We just got a little baby one. I know there's some keepers swimming around. Beautiful. Just a little guy. No bear trauma today. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. Here we go. Yep, this is a keeper. Maybe. I know this one knocked it. Pretty good, pretty good. Oh. Coming up. Giving up pretty easy, but knocked it hard at the bottom. Oh, lane snapper, I think. Heck yeah, first keeper. Dude, ooh, whoa, 2 sharks behind them. Lane snapper, beautiful fish too. I think lane snapper got to be 10 inches. This is a nice one. Come on, baby. Nice. Such a beautiful fish. They got those yellow stripes on them. And I believe it's 10 inches on the lane. 10 or 12. And this guy, ooh. Okay. He's like 15. Yeah, he's 14, so definitely a keeper. First keeper, y'all. Lane snapper. Sweet. Oh, get over there. Nice. See if we can't get us another one. I think the limit on lane is 10, 5 or 10 per person. I won't worry about it until I've got about 4 of them in the boat. But so far, man, that was an epic catch. I'm glad we got something. We broke the snapper ice, but we ain't got a red snapper yet. I'm looking for that big red. But those lanes eat good too. Oh yeah, there it is. He hit hard. Ooh, dang, got tight and drag a little bit. Okay, coming up. This one feels pretty good. Cut bait on the bottom. Can't say no to a soft cigar minnow. This one feels pretty good. Grouperish. Fighting me all the way to the top. It is a grouper. He ain't no keeper either. But we caught a red grouper earlier. Now we got a gag. Pretty cool to catch. And this is a beautiful species of fish. Some of the best tasting. There he is, gag grouper, a little fat boy, but they're out of season. Look, you can see my bait right there in his mouth, a cigar minnow. How cool is that? And he's gone. Something just died. I think it was this camera because it's hot. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit. Yeah, she's hot. But I got that one going, so that's okay. We're getting further off. Whoa! Yes! Yes! Fish on, y'all. This might be a big snappy. Come on. Fish on! On the free line. Oh. Y'all, I hope y'all can follow me over here. Got to get her up before shark gets her. Oh! Broke free. Shoot! Big snapper right there, y'all. It was. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Go on and take it. There you go, there you go. Nice. Okay. Doesn't feel too big, but it could be a mangrove or another lane. You just never know. And it's a grouper, red grouper. Hey, these are in season. They got to be 20 inches. He ain't gonna make it. Yeah, he ain't gonna make the minimum. Oh man. There we go. Nice little red grouper. He's just got to grow up on me. We're still on, man. There's fish all in the water column. We're gonna drop this thing about halfway and see what happens. It's showing fish everywhere. Let's stop it about right there. Get a Dang, just had a bite. Up in 75 foot of water. Yeah, it's getting a bite, getting a bite. Let me get this free line out. Catch a big one. We're obligated to check it. Got a bunch of bites on it. Yep, got it. Wow. Get ready. There he is, there he is. All right. Ooh, got some good fight. Easy. This feels like another grouper. Oh, he broke it. Goodness. Well, we'll never know. Ooh, another lane. Sweet. Big old lane. Woo. Heck yeah. Dude, we will take that. This is a big one. Dang. Come on. Man, that's a nice one. Heck yeah. We did cause bear trauma on this one. Man, y'all, another lane. Oh, it's dead. Another lane snapper. So that's two. We just get on under that ice. All right. Two in the box. Whew. That was awesome. Let's check our free line. Dang, did they get it already? Wow. I don't know how they're doing that. Time for a little chunk. There we go. There we go. Coming up, coming up. I'll take a mangrove, a lane, a red. It's another grouper. Pretty little guy. Man. You got any big brothers down there? All right, just a little blood gag grouper. He's a little injured. He's gone. See if that makes it to the bottom. There's a fish on this. What the heck? How the heck did that happen? Triggerfish. Just a little guy. You was snaking my bait. Oof. Ow. Wow. Missed him. Dang, he broke the hook. All right, all right. Wow, this thing just got rubbed hard. Found another pair of pliers. Ow. All right, hanging on. I've still got some squid and some shrimp. Let me reel this thing in. Is there another triggerfish on this thing? No. Okay. Okay. Whoa! That is not. That was a snapper. Holy. Yes. Okay. Give him some. Let him have it. Yeah, let him have it. Let him have some. Oh. Just break it again? Holy sheesh. I don't know what that was, but it got me. All right, new rig. Wow, y'all, that was epic. I've still got 3 or 4 grunts in there, so we can make this happen. Maybe an amberjack. You think that's what that probably was? Big amberjack. It Could have been a big snapper now. Could have been. Dang. I want you. All right. Big fish. Oh, he got off. Dang. You gonna come back and finish it? I think he got it. Dang. Hard time bottom fishing, man. The fish are touchy today. They're very touchy. Dang, we had him though. That's all right. We got two more. All right, I'm just gonna send it to the bottom this time. Big fish, live grunt going down again. 106 foot of water. Oh! I think my bait is still there. Yeah, he's still there. He's getting, there we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Big fish. Real, Chris. Get it up. Dang. All right, get her up, Chris. Don't be easy on her. Take it easy. We need to see what this is. Boy, this feels like a good one. If this is a red snapper, even maybe a red grouper, this might be a keeper. All right, just easy, easy reel, just reel. Yep, just reel. Easy, easy. All right, we gotta see it. This is a grouper. Come on, be a red grouper. Oh, it's a big something. It is red grouper. Is he a keeper? That might be a keeper. Woo! Look at that keeper red grouper. Gaff. Oh, yes! Woo! That's the first keeper red grouper on this boat, y'all. Look at him. Oh, he's a beast. Yes. I've been out here struggling all day. All right. Wow, he just spit it out. Look, there's my other one with the hook in it. Look at that. I just got back my other grunt with the hook still in its mouth. How cool is that? All right. This is definitely a keeper red grouper. Oh, man. He's a beast. Yes, sirree. So happy I finally got something good in the box. Well, those lane snappers are good, but they just ain't as good as this. All right, there he is, y'all. Look at my beast of a fire truck. Red grouper. Let's get a measurement on him. See where he's at. Nice. He's like 27 inches. Let's go. All right. First grouper in the box on the buoy bomber, y'all. So excited. So exciting. All right, he's on some good ice. All right. Still got my bait. Let's drop it down and see if he can get us another one. Man, yeah. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah, dude. We need one more. One more. That was awesome. And I got that other grunt back. Oh, crazy. What is this off of? I just found a random screw in the floor. Oh no. Dude, that was so sick. That was sick. Whoa, quick. Almost hooked up quick. Yes. They're down there. That was a good catch, y'all. Tired, my hand's cramping. Going for another one. I think they got it. Yeah, they got them. It's all right. I got another one. You. My last hope. My last, well, I still got some hardtails, but this is my last live grunt. See what we can do. The bottom is looking good. Go down there and catch me another one. Red grouper got to be 20 inches, and you can keep 2 per person. So if we can catch one more of those, and we've got the bait to do it. All right, I think I caught the big one. Dang, they were down there tearing them up. Are you still alive? Look, something done pecked his eyeballs and everything out. That's rough. Let's see. What's the next one closest? 800 foot? Let's hit it. Why you gotta run right by somebody? No. This whole ocean, y'all got to come buzz right by me. A lot of structure down there. I do have some squid. I don't want to just, I ain't hitting this thing. This guy here, he's had a hard day. Same for that one. Whole squid. The bottom looks good. Let's see if it's still there. I had a little bite. Gone. Something got it. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom this time. Whew, y'all, I'm about ready to call it. It's been a good day. All right, y'all, I'm about to call it, but I am gonna troll for a little while. If we hook up, you'll see it, but if not, then I'll see y'all back on land. All right, y'all, we made it back to land, no issues. I hope y'all enjoyed that run of the Cape Horn. But here's our catch. This grouper, man, I mean, he's fat boy. I got big hands. The measure was right around 26 inches, so probably 26, 27 inches. And then 2 lane snapper. The design on these snapper is just beautiful. And I always end up catching 1 or 2 lane snappers when I'm out there on the reef, so that's pretty cool, and we're gonna clean them up, so let's get it. And I like to just stab the knife in the middle and come around the top and then down the back, right on top of the rib. And then when you get past the poop chute, I like to go ahead and go all the way through and just come on down and then out. And we're going to come back up over the center bone, the backbone. We'll come over and in, and then just kind of get the knife in there and let it get through those ribs and up, just like that. Just like that, perfect. Not too bad. Do the same thing on this side. We're gonna go in the center and then use that little hole there we just made to help hold it. Down the backbone, past the poop chute, out the other side, up, lift it with your thumb, come back over the backbone, and then just kind of get through those ribs and up. Just like that. One down. All right. Same thing for this one. Just down the back, out the poop, across. And up and up and oh, there's one more rib right there is what it is. There we go. Got it. All right. You know, my dad and them, whenever I go fishing with them, they don't let me clean the fish. They think I waste it, but they have got no clue about how much practice I've had on my own boat. We get it. Oh no. well, doesn't really matter. All right, use the water hose to clean off the table. Clean these up just a little bit. Ribs right there. A little bit of poop actually. I'm gonna rinse with water. Right on the edge, make your little slit and get your fingers in there. Kind of follow the knife with your fingers to help keep that fillet up off the skin. Boom. There we go. Clean this one up, get these ribs out of here. Okay. Yeah, I don't want scales getting on my fish. Go. Keep your fingers behind the knife. It's one of the best things you can do to help keep the meat off the skin. And snapper, they fillet pretty easy. The skin is tough. You don't really have to worry about cutting through it. But I will tell you, if you just leave that minuscule little buffer there, then it won't have so much of that lateral line. We're gonna have to rinse these. I see fish scales all on them. How did that happen? I guess when I threw them over there and rinsed or something, we're gonna have to rinse them. Oh, I messed that one up a little bit. It's okay though. We can trim her. All right, that's the lane snapper. I don't want the water that's been in the hose. I want fresh water out of the ground. So I'm letting the hose run for a minute. Oh, there it is. This is a quart bag. Let me go see if I got a quart bag. Doesn't need a gallon. Those 2 lane snapper, that's going to be a really nice, that was the perfect amount for a meal. I like that. All right, I'm gonna rinse the reg reaper off. All right, and he's bigger than the snappers, but he doesn't have as big as scales, so he should be a little easier to clean, or at least to get through that skin. He's got smaller scales. And I clean pretty much all reef fish the same way. You come in, down the back, through, out, and then back up. So that's what we're doing. Down that back. Dang, he's got some tough skin. I guess I need to try to rip it like this. Yeah. Okay. There we go. In, over. All right, I might need a boning knife. Oh, I'm getting through them. All right. He's tough. seeing what I don't want. I'm trying to get through that last rib. I think I got it. Yeah, I got it. Definitely cut into some arteries on this one. All right. Okay. Perfect piece of meat. Ouch. Ow. Ow. A freaking fish, man. Those rib bones are tough on these guys. Man, they're tough. Tough ribs, tough ribs. Okay, there we go. Whew, look at those guts. You want to see what he was been eating? His stomach is definitely full. Let's check it out. We got to, right? Let's see what he was eating. Some kind of fish. Big old slab of meat here. There we go. Perfect. Look at that parasite right there. You see that worm? We're gonna get it out of there. Got to look out for parasites in these guys. I'm just gonna cut that whole end off. I'm with it. It's my fish. Do what I want. All right. You see how my hand's right behind the knife, lifting that meat. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like I left a little bit. That's okay. It's my fish. Inspect it for any parasites. Don't see anything. Looks good. If you're still watching this video at this point, it looks like about 50 minutes in, you are the best. If I was there with you right now, I'd shake your hand. I'd give you a hug, high five. I'm really trying to get monetized here on YouTube. I'm really close. I've got the required subscribers, but I've got to get my watch time hours up. So I'm really going to be pushing them to these longer videos. Red snapper season is here. We're going to get back out there and we're going to get them. And we're going to keep pushing these longer content videos. If there's something that I didn't do or you want to see in some videos, please comment, let me know. Share this video with your friends and family. Get it, push it out there. Help me, reach my goals. And I'm forever grateful if you do. But if you watch this far in the video, you're a true fan. And I really, really do appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Thanks.